Hello YouTube people. Today I'm going to show you how to cycle through things in an array, and infinitely cycle. So I got an array here of colors. It starts off on green, and then let's make a button. Okay, actually let's make two buttons. So we want it whenever you press the up button, it goes up a color, and whenever you press the down button, it goes down a color. So let's open our script in Visual Studio here. Okay, so I got my array of colors here, and it's serialized, so you can edit it in the inspector. If you didn't know, that's what this does. Okay, so what we need is an int. So let's make a void, public void. It needs to be public, and call it cycle colors. And it's going to take in an int cycle. We also need a reference to the material we're going to change, so I'll just... Okay, so first things first, to set the material dot color to colors cycler, and this will, because it's assigned as 0, this will just set it to the first color in the array. Now here's how you cycle through colors. Cycler plus equals cycle. Okay. And then what you do is just assign the material to whatever color that is. Okay, we're going to test it out. So cycle up. The material, we need to assign the material. Let's make one. Let's call it test. And put it there. Oops. My bad. Okay, put it right there. Minus that one. Okay, and then just drag this into the material slot here. We're going to make these buttons actually work. So you just press plus here on click, and then drag whatever the script is attached to. Okay, and then cycle things. This is the up one, so it's 1. Do the same with this one. Oops, plus. Drag the cube on there. And this one is -1. Now the issue with this is, you can see it turns green here, up, up. Okay, it cycles through the colors properly. But say we go past purple, then we're going to get index out array exception. So how do we solve this? We go into here, before we assign the color, if cycler is greater than colors dot length, cycler equals 0. Else if cycler is less than 0, cycler equals colors.length. Oh, actually, this should be colors.length minus 1, because the length is 5, but the max element in the array is 4, so it should always be minus 1. And this one too. Okay, did I save it? Yes. And there you go, it'll just infinitely keep cycling through. Even if you go down, it'll go in the reverse order, and it infinitely cycles through the array. This works with anything. You can put in music, or say you want it to cycle through a playlist of songs, you can have it so it plays the first one and then after the first one is done, it increments by 1 and goes to the next one, and so on. Or you can have it so it changes a sprite. You can have an options menu where you can select a sprite with buttons and cycle through the sprites like that. And yeah, this has unlimited uses pretty much. Alright, I hope you liked my tutorial, and please leave a comment down below if you have any questions, and subscribe, and look forward to some more tutorials in the future.